Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your Ring doorbell. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you have your Ring doorbell and you're looking to go ahead and charge it just because it's no longer working on your phone. How do you actually go ahead and charge this? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But in order to charge it, what you're first going to do is get your Ring doorbell alarm. Now, once you have your Ring doorbell alarm, on the back of it, you're going to see this cable input that you see right over here. Now, what goes inside of here is actually a micro SD cable, so it looks like this. Now, keep in mind that this isn't a lightning cable, nor is it a Type-C cable. It's a micro SD cable, and so all you've got to do is just plug it in from the back. And then once you plug it in, you should see your Ring alarm kind of light blue. So you could see it turned that it's light blue now, and this indicates the percentage that's been charged on. So what I mean by that is because the whole Ring is turned on, that means it's at 100% charge. But if, let's say, it was just blinking blue on this portion right over here, that would mean that it's currently charging. So you do want your entire Ring to be lit up in order for it to indicate that it's 100% charged. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and charge your Ring doorbell. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.